Hello, friends and fans out there. This is Balloon 45. What you're seeing is the 100-gram balloon that I've managed to repair. So far, it's holding up pretty well. There have been no leaks, and it's holding the air, and I've inflated it a little bit bigger. And I will inflate even more when I get a chance to. Oh. It's funny why one end of it is bigger than the other. I just got to keep inflating it so it'll catch up with the other end, mainly where the one I'm holding. Yeah, it took a lot of work and patience. I've had others didn't come off too well. Well, I'm still working on the bugs in that one, in one in particular. Excuse me. Besides, I don't have enough rubber cement. I need more of this rubber cement. I need more of this stuff, and I don't have the cash for it, unfortunately. Get my hands on a bigger container of it. But then again, I don't need two big containers. I need a bigger tube of it. That could last me a while. Yeah, okay, so, like I said, it's a lot of work. Let's see. Let's see what happens when I put my weight on it. Well, some weight on it. It's holding up nicely. Give it back. Man. One of those Russian balloons popped on me. Well, hey, I blew it up a lot. I inflate it every day practically. Every once in a while, well, not every once in a while, but blew into it a lot, but every day. And it finally popped. Oh well. But then it must have hit something pointy somewhere in my room. Who knows? Oh well. So, I took the neck from that one popped balloon and put it on this weather balloon here, and it's holding up nicely. I'm going to keep doing inflation tests on this big boy until I inflate it bigger. Well, like I said, it's a 100-gram balloon. So, there's still plenty of room for air in it. Oh, boy. Still plenty of room for air in this bad boy. So, I guess I'm going to keep working on it. Keep running the tests. And, well, we'll wait and see. Because I got another balloon to work on. But, like I said, I don't have enough rubber cement to finish the job. And I can't get more because I don't get cash. Ain't that a pity? And PayPal won't even give me another card. Oh, well, hey, I don't have any cash in PayPal anyway. So when I get a chance and I get some kind of money, I'm going to get more rubber cement. This type, of course. It's gotta be this type. And no other. Or something like it. I remember when I first discovered a rubber cement that would do the job I wanted it to do. And it was the type used to repair bicycle inner tubes. That worked quite well. So I've been on that ever since. Came across some other formulations like the one you just saw. Like this one. This one works even better. Getting enough of this stuff ain't easy. Now that rubber cement they got out now in a jar, that's for paperwork. Don't use that. It will not work. It will never work. That's the stuff I first tried. That was a mistake. Well, thank you for watching. This is Balloon 45. And enjoy your balloons to the fullest.